Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. I'm Jasim Mir in behalf of Naryabit.com. Today we are going to learn how to take input from user using scanner class. Let's get started. Here I am going to create a package, Java packages. I am giving name input by users. Here created a package. Now I'm going to create Java class input from user. I created a class. Now I'm going to make a main method, public static void main string arguments. Now I have to create an object of a scanner class. Scanner automatically create bring a utility scanner at important scanner scans equal to new scanner system.n. Here we created an object. Now we have to create an int abc equal to scans dot next integer. Here next dot int only will take integer number. So here system.out.println, please enter number 1. Oh sorry, it was done by mistake. I'm going to bring this line upward. So here I'm pasting because this line is only to show for user to what to do user. Here I am providing an instruction to please enter number 1. Here after that enter. Now I am showing another line to user to please enter number 2. See, I'm initializing another integer and bcd equal to scans dot next and sm the above. Now I'm making them to add both of the number. After that I will show the result to the user. Now I initialize another and and xyz equal to a plus b abc plus bcd. That's all. Now I'm showing the result line. System.out.println result equals plus, here plus sign is for concatenation. We concatenate result plus xyz to show the result. Please enter number 1 15. Please enter number 2 44. The result is 59. So our program is run successfully. It takes number from user using scanner class.